Today I'm doing something new, cleaning my bike. I came up with a brilliant idea of using steam to try it. So I'm going to get it all clean. You know, got some spots and stuff. When you live in an apartment, it's pretty hard to really get a hose because they don't allow you to. So I'm going to use this little steamer right here. It's a little kitchen steamer. And we'll see how it turns out. I thought I was the first one to come up with this idea, but after looking on YouTube, I found a couple of videos. So we're gonna give it a shot. I'll do the progress as I go, a little bit at a time. It's not gonna be a long video, just something new I'm trying. Okay, so far I've done the rims. I tried the magic eraser and it actually didn't work too good for me. I did steam the rims and they look pretty good. I'm using this stuff. Works great on white walls. Spray, let it sit for a minute and use a green scrubby, done deal. Now I'm going to start working on cleaning it. Again, this is how dirty it looks. Everything looks filthy right now. This looks like shit. But I'll show you when it's all done. I don't know how good this video is going to be, but yeah, we'll see how it comes out. Well, all done cleaning. Came out really nice, actually. Like I said, the magic eraser did not work on my white walls. I cleaned it all up, sprayed it with that steamer. Got a little bit of blood and everything out of there. They did say use some simple green on it, which I didn't do because I saw that afterwards when I came up with this. But it's got a nice shine to it. Looks nice. So next time I'll use simple green and let it sit and really clean it. But it looks nice. Everything's good. Yeah, so that's it.